A senior year history class has only 20 students in it. For the end-of-year project, each student must present an oral report on one of 5 wars: the Boer War, World War I, World War II, the Korean War, and the Kosovo War. The teacher must assign each student a war and then arrange the order of the 20 oral presentations. In how many ways can this be accomplished? Okay. Now, carefully reading the question, there is no restriction. So, maybe if the teacher thought people weren't paying attention to the turn-of-the-century history, they might assign the Boer War to every single one of the 20 students. There isn't any sort of restriction. Things that we might see in a question might be no more than 3 students could report on World War I or something like that. But we don't have anything like that. So we are free to assign whatever war to whichever student. Okay? This is going to end up being a selection with repetition. Okay, so we've got 5 wars to assign. And we've got 20 students. So for each student, we have a choice of one of 5 wars. So 5 choices for Bobby, and 5 choices for Ethel, and 5 choices for Keith. Okay, 5 times 5 times 5, 5 to the power of 20. 5 things to select. The teacher selects each war, and we're doing that 20 times, once per student. Okay, so that is the number of ways to assign the wars. Okay? But that's not it. That's not it. We've got more to the question. Okay? Yes, 5 to the power of 20 ways to assign the wars. But if we read the question, okay, we also need to arrange the order of the presentations. Who's presenting first? Is it Keith? Okay, is it Sally? Okay. Is it Ming? I don't know. Okay, we've got to think of this. Okay, so how do we order the presentations? We know who's presenting what, but who is presenting when is our next question. Okay, so 20 student presentations. To arrange. Okay. So we're ordering something. We've got 20 things to order. We've got a first, second, third, fourth, all the way up to 20th. Okay. This is what factorials are designed to do. Okay. Linear permutations. Arranging in a specific order from start to finish, first to last. Okay. So 20 factorial ways to order the reports. Who's presenting when. Okay. So first, we assign the wars to the topics to each student, and then we publish the schedule. Okay, we make the schedule and publish it so students know when they're presenting. So first we do that, and then we do that. This is a sequence of different choices. So we multiply them together to get our final answer. 5 to the power of 20 times 20 factorial, and that is the number of options available to the teacher.